Alright, those final speeds on the videos that you sent in, well, we're looking good. Now, I might be forgetting something. Maybe you just did all 4 bars of that thing just to see what would happen. But let's, for the most part, in fact, all the part, I'd say, let's just stick with the adding 1 bar at a time. I think that'll help out and be the most efficient thing to do there. So, because still working on getting all that stuff up to speed, let's do something a little different today, this week, and start pushing towards reviewing everything, or pretty much everything we've done theory-wise. So we got here like a triad practice sheet. Everything's in the key of C. So what do we have here? First thing you start off with is the chord, the most common way, the shape we're going to start so many things with, just that open C chord. And we have a movable bar chord for the major, another movable major bar chord, and then we have just the 3 string versions. Here's your bare minimum triads, all the C chords. So just all kinds of different ways we've looked at strumming a C chord. We may not have necessarily done this C chord, but we have used that shape before. Same thing here, that's just your F chord moved up. And then what you can do for the next part, I would repeat each little 2-plet bracket, the triplet bracket, over and over again, like maybe 4 times, okay? So what am I talking about? So you got the little 3 here, and the things are notated rhythmically just to make it easier to see. That's all. This isn't anything to do with playing something rhythmically right. We're just hitting stuff, getting reacquainted with chords, and that's that. So these are the arpeggios we've looked at before. So it's like each one like 4 times be good. And just get reacquainted with those shapes. Then we have the mode info starting with each section. So position number 1 being the Ionian mode or the major scale, same thing. And the intervals just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the possible intervals we can combine. So far we're just stick with the 1, 3, 5, or in the case of Dorian, 1 flat 3 and 5. So going through the rest of this, again, you're just starting with the most common shape we're going to use, and then we'll have some movable shapes, then the 3 notes only, or like no octaves being used, right? It's just your 1 flat 3 5, that's it. Just play the note 1 time, 1 flat 3 5, that's it. Boom, boom, boom. We're not doubling anything up like we do here, here, or here, doubling up. Well, at this chord we have our root note done twice. Over here we have it done twice again. We also have the 5th interval done twice. And then on this one we have the root note being done 3 times, 5th interval done twice, flat 3rd once. So anyway, the highlighted stuff is just that bare minimum things that work well with distortion or without. And then yeah, I just got the arpeggios written out again. So just take your time, go through this whole page once or twice a day, maybe a little bit more if need be. And then next week we'll see how the coil stuff is going. We can progress with that if you have reached all 4 bars being up to the 240 or beyond. And if not, I'm going to write out the suspended chord version of this and kind of help you get caught up. So any questions with this, please let me know, and I will see you in your next video.